Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature in Gmail that many users might overlook, sending files directly through Gmail chat on your PC. With this new update, it's easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, look for the Compose button, usually located on the left side. This is your gateway to writing a new message. Next, click on Compose. A new message window will pop up, ready for you. Here, you'll see an attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip. Go ahead and click on that icon. Now, it's time to choose the file you want to send. Browse through your documents, select the desired file, and click Open. The file will start uploading, so you'll see it attached to your message shortly. With your file ready to go, don't forget to write a note. You can also add a subject line to give your recipients a quick overview of what the file is about. Speaking of recipients, make sure you choose the correct contacts you want to send this to. Finally, once everything looks good, hit that Send button. And there you have it. You've just sent a file through Gmail chat like a pro. This new update makes sharing files simpler and more efficient. Don't hesitate to try it out next time you need to send something important. Happy emailing.